Although COPD is significantly underdiagnosed, in 2004 about 64 million people worldwide were diagnosed with this disease. Currently, the World Health Organization estimated that there are 210 million people worldwide with this disease. In Europe, the prevalence varies between 2.1% and 26.1%. Such variability depends on the different methods used to estimate its prevalence in terms of definition, severity, scales, and the population groups. In Latin American and the Latino in Spanish for Latin American research projects in pulmonary obstruction studied found a prevalence of 7.8% to 19.7%. In Spain, according to the data from the EPI scans study, the prevalence is 10.2%, although it varies depending on the geographic area. It is estimated that 2185764 individuals have COPD among 21.4 million people aged between 40 to 80 years. By gender, the figure corresponds to 1571868 men and the 628102 women. This same study shows that in Spain COPD underdiagnosis is 73%. For example, 1595000 Spiranial until now have COPD and don't know it. Therefore, they do not receive any treatment. From the data obtained from these studies, it is concluded that COPD is more prevalent in those over 40 years of age, that more men than women are affected, that it is more common in smokers and ex-smokers than in non-smokers. Although traditionally COPD is more prevalent in men than in women, due to the current increase in tobacco consumption by women in developed countries and to the exposure of containment air from kitchens that use biomass fuels in poor countries, the disease is affecting both sexes equally in some regions. In 2005, over 3 million people worldwide died from COPD.